Alright you guys, so right now I'm standing in front of the MSG Las Vegas music venue, otherwise known as MSG Sphere at the Venetian. Now today is March 30th, 2019. As you can see, not a whole lot going on. Got a big old pile of dirt. It's Sunday morning, and as I turned the corner, I was extremely surprised to see a tractor on top of the big sand pile. Now, hold on a second. Let me get past these little trees and everything. All right, so going, you see the Palazzo, wait, hold on. The Wynn, the Palazzo, the Venetian, Harrah's, the High Roller, and we're behind those guys. And this big mound of dirt, or sand, dirt, which seems to get bigger every time I see it, has a tractor working on a Sunday. How about that? All right, one man, one camera, and let's take a look at the MSG Sphere at the Venetian. All right, didn't even fall. Voila, there is the construction, the current progress of the MGS Sphere at the Venetian. All right, we can see Harrah's, and there's the High Roller. Now check out the circular shape of this facility. There we go, check that out. Hey. Let's just zoom in a bit and see if we can see anything more on here. All right. As you know, this facility budget is between $1.2 and $1.7 billion. Now, why they have a $500 million swing, or, you know, unknown number yet, is absolutely astounding to me. The MSG Sphere at the Venetian will hold 18,000 people across 9 levels of seats. They will have a very dynamic and modern sound system and a haptic, that's the correct word, haptic feedback system, so you will feel the music vibrations on the floor. I put it something akin to when you touch your phone and you get a little bit of vibration. So hey, okay, the sphere will end up being about 360 feet high and about 512 feet around its widest point, at its widest point. What's this right here? It's like cement. Okay. Once this is done, they really plan on having this thing be a major draw for the Las Vegas events. You know, it's going to be high tech, and so hopefully it comes in. They say it's due to open 2021, so they say, but hopefully it finishes 2021 on time, and whatever budget number they want to use, like I said, between 1.2 billion and 1.7 billion. Hope it comes in on time. Hope it's packed and a welcome addition to the Las Vegas, you know, overall entertainment. This is a nice, somewhat bird's eye view of the place. All right, it looks beginning to shape quite nicely. Nice and circular. It's going to be a lovely facility once it's built, and I do hope, like I said, it stays packed, crowded, and adds a whole lot of benefits to the Las Vegas entertainment scene. All right, you guys, I am beat. Today is December 21st, about 11:30 in the morning. Let's take a look at the MSG Sphere at the Venetian and see what's happening. A bit more about the MSG Sphere. Inside the venue, guests will be surrounded by the largest and highest resolution LED screen on Earth, more than 160,000 square feet of display surface. Now think about it, your IMAX screens come in at about 3,800 square feet, so this, you know, this display surface is going to be about 42 times bigger than your IMAX screens. The screen will wrap up over and behind the stage and the audience, delivering a totally immersive visual environment at a resolution 100 times better than today's HD TVs. Whew. Sound. Every guest will hear crystal clear audio with an advanced acoustic system that features beamforming technology, enabling audio to be directed to specific locations in the bowl at a volume that remains constant from point of origin to destination. Beamforming also enables multiple forms of content to be delivered simultaneously, which means two people sitting about 5 feet apart can hear completely different sounds, adding to the possibility for a customized experience. Now, what I can see with this is if you have a multilingual audience somewhere, and maybe one wants English, one wants French, one wants Italian, one wants Spanish or whatever, then this system, the beamforming, sounds like a winner. Very nice. Also, an infrasound haptic system will use deep vibration so that guests can feel and experience whether it's an erupting volcano or a passing motorcycle roaring by. In plain language, the floor vibrates. So whatever they're showing you, you can feel it through the vibrations. Okay, very good. And finally, the hemisphere at the Venetian will also ignite the sense of smell through evocative sense designed to transport audiences. So presumably they're going to have some sort of spray disbursement system or aerosol disbursement system which will spray, let's say you're looking at the beach, some beach smells, maybe there's a shower scene, well, if that, a soap smell. Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Monday, February 10th, about 1:45 in the afternoon. Today, let's talk about MSG Sphere at the Venetian. Alright, let's go. You may recall I mentioned the cost of this project. It was between $1.2 and $1.7 billion. Now, I just read recently they have nailed down the cost down to $1.66 billion, and all parties seem to be happy, so that's good. They can carry forward without any other distractions. Now, I have not heard anything good or bad as far as construction date, any type of delays going on, so I do expect this to open in 2021. I moved more down Manhattan and we're more east of the structure. Now remember, this place will have this dynamic sound system which will allow for beamforming technology. So for example, if there is a multilingual type event going on, the system will be able to beam different languages to different areas of the arena. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now before, I would film from over there, but security guard busted me and said, hey listen, you know, this is all private property on that one street, and so you really can't be here. But if you want to film, please go to Manhattan, the street we're on now, and just go ahead and have a good time. So, you know, these things happen. You know, I don't fight security and these kind of things. They just, you know, send me on my way and I left. And so right now we're on Sands Avenue. Now we are in the shade right now because the structure is blocking the sun from us, so we can get a little bit of a nicer view. But once again, you know, I'm so close to the structure, it's hard to capture everything in one shot. But there's a oops. Check this crane out. Hey. Hello, Raider Nation. Wrong video. Hey guys, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Friday, May 1st, about 12 noon, 91 degrees, and it's going to get windy pretty soon. Alright, today we're down at the corner of Manhattan and Winchester. Take a look-see at the MSG Sphere and what's going on. Now you see that structure right there? That is the Wynn, I believe, the Wynn employee parking lot. Okay? Now, I've been up in there before, only once, because you shouldn't go up there if you're not an employee. And when I was there before, this MSG sphere was not nearly this high. I'll put a clip in right now. This is a nice, somewhat bird's eye view of the place. All right, it looks beginning to shape quite nicely. All right, move down Manhattan a little bit, and as you can see, just behind the MSG sphere, there is the Palazzo right there, and then to the left is the Venetian hiding behind that little tree. Move over to Sands Avenue. Check out the sign, a fully immersive programmable environment, inside, outside. An audience capacity of over 20,000. Hey, all right. All this shoring up stuff. Like I said, I think that's aluminum. Aluminium. Oh, he is working. Hey. Hey, everybody, I think that may just about do it for the MSG sphere at the Venetian. This is your old pal, OneManOneCamera, saying thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, so you don't miss any of these glorious videos. This is OneManOneCamera. Today is May 21st, about 2:30 afternoon. Let's do a recap of the MSG sphere at the Venetian. All right, hope you enjoyed those earlier clips of the construction of the MSG sphere. So hopefully it will open within a reasonable amount of time, and hopefully this madness, and I'm sure you know what I'm referring to, this madness will end as soon as possible and things can return to some semblance of normalcy. It does look nice. All right, I gotta always say, it's your old pal, OneManOneCamera, saying thank you for watching. And if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day. Adieu.